Hey, guess who's moved again? Yep, that's right, it's me. I wanted to cozy up my brand new apartment with some homemade and reusable cloth napkins for the table. I got one of those pre-cut 1-yard fabric packs from Michael's in September and finally had time to work on this project. It was a pretty simple project with the goal of learning a new technique, and that was the mitered corner. In addition to that new technique, I also had a chance to sit down and learn some of the quirks of the new-to-me sewing machine that was my grandmother's, which she bought in 1972. So a lot of learning happening there, but thankfully I still have the instruction booklet. This was a learning project for me, and I didn't set out with the intention that every seam and every corner was going to be straight. And in this video you can see I had some perfect corners for a first try, but I also had more wonky corners and lines than anything else. That's why I named this video Contemplating Perfection. So much of what we see online, and especially in the crafting community, is really focused on how well a piece turned out, but showing our mistakes is human, and I think it's something that we should try to do more. The thing is, though, is that despite the wonky stitching, I actually do think these napkins are perfect. They completely work for what I want them to do, and I think they're pretty cute. And they gave me a chance to get acquainted with my new machine and try to figure out how it works. I've already tossed them in the washing machine, and all of the stitching holds up. So what could make it any less perfect than working, and also being cute?